So what we're going to do today is do some housekeeping things to make sure we're ready for class next week. The first thing I want is on Thursday, L&M, when I see you guys, I would like you to share your pig with me. Online students from L&M, just bring your pig in on Thursday. If you're willing to share your pig with the rest of the class, then let me know that. Those of you that are willing to let me hang it up, I think it's really interesting to see how different people think. So when I say draw a pig, there's been at least 100 different ways today that people have drawn pigs. So it's pretty interesting. If you are not willing to have me share, that's totally fine. Just let me know that. I will not hang it up. I just need to see that you did it and participated in the class. So remember that we're looking at goal setting this week. So use your pig personality, those traits that you have, examine how things have gone thus far, positive or negative. Maybe that is part of your goal. Look at your academics and your college and career readiness. See if there's any holes in what you've done so far, and think about writing those goals for Thursday. For Wednesday, the first thing you're going to do is reset your EIC Connect account. So L&M, you guys got your accounts, your usernames on yellow pieces of paper from me this morning. If you did not have one, be sure you actually apply to MCC. I just checked them again tonight at 11:14. Some of you still did not have accounts. You can text me tomorrow morning. I'll check one more time before class. If you think you applied to MCC, then please double check for me. Go back into your account. Make sure you've done the account and the application. Once you have your username, you're going to go to eicc.edu. Click on EIC Connect. Sorry, guys. Let me try again. I was signed in, so now it's mad at me. So, EIC Connect. There we go. You're going to go here where it says change or reset password. There you put in your username. And here you put in the email that you used when you applied to MCC. Once you've done that, hit request password. Within 10 minutes, you'll get a link to that email that will let you reset your password. Write it down somewhere. Be sure that the password has uppercase, lowercase, special characters, numbers, no part of your name. Once you reset your password, you're going to go back to eicc.edu and EIC Connect. Put in your username and your password. And now you're inside your college portal. You're going to go scroll down on the left-hand side and click My Classes Canvas. And it'll bring you to your dashboard. Yours are going to have lots of announcements. You can clear those out if you want to. I have our class sitting right here on my dashboard, but you all can go to courses. And then yours is going to look a little bit different. Instead of saying this, it's going to look more like this one. It's going to say SDV 114, MHSO3, MHSO2, blah, 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 and then have my name, Teresa Putnam-Gans, at the very end. So click on our class together. Here you're going to have announcements, so everyone please read the strategies for success. L&M and Columbus, please read yours specific to your school. Each week you're going to have the theme of the week, the overview, and what the schedule is going to be. If you have something in red, there'll be something either due in person or a submission on Canvas. So that's how you're going to know you have things due. Anything in black is for everybody, but if there are things that are specifically blue, they'll be for Columbus, yellow for L&M, and online students, you're orange. So again, for today's class, make sure you bring me your pig on Thursday for L&M, Friday for Columbus, and let me know if you're willing to have it shared. You don't have to have your name on it to be shared. That's totally fine. I just want to see that you did participate. If you have lost your CCR standards or your guiding questions, click on both of these. Remember, I want you to review your transcript, think about that personality traits that you found through the PIG personality test. Look at your College and Career Ready standards, compare your transcript and look at those guiding questions. And let's, for Thursday, formulate those 3 quarter goals, 1 semester goal, and 1 by graduation goal. Okay, so let's get started. For Wednesday, you are going to have a submission. So on a piece of paper, go ahead and jot down numbers 1 through 6. The first question is going to be, what is your EIC Connect username? I know it's really tempting to just have your computer auto-save this, but sometimes we're at a different computer, sometimes we're sitting at MCC, sometimes we're somewhere else and we don't have our computer to autofill. So make sure you know your username and password. Save that in your phone somewhere, write it down. Number 2 is going to be the simple syllabus. So over here on the side, click on simple syllabus. This is the syllabus for the class. I'm treating you as college students, so I'm not going to read the entire thing to you. I expect that you do go through it yourself, all right? So yes, it is long, but scan through it, and for your assignment for Wednesday, for number 2, after reading the syllabus, write something from here that stood out to you, okay? This is where things get a little bit different. So Columbus, here's your blue. We are going to track our grades every single week on Wednesdays. So Columbus, I emailed you your GPA graph. So L&M, hold on just a second. A link. Atlas, I'm going to use yours as the example. When you open it, it looks like this. What you're going to do is change this to match your PowerSchool schedule. So if your first class is my class, then you're just going to put strategies for success. And then your second period, third, fourth, all the way down. If you have a class right now, like you have a grade in the class, you're going to put it in week 1, and we're using the college grade scale. So if you have an A in a class, that's worth 4 points. So you would put a 4 there. If you have a C in a class, you would put 2 points like that, and so on. So how you figure your GPA each week is you add up the numbers you end up putting in week 1, all of these. That total number divided by the number of classes you have, and that gives you your GPA for that week. So that is your number 3. Number 4, Columbus, I also emailed you this quick assignment that I want you to do. All I want you to do is go to it. Libby, I'm going to use yours, and you just click right here where it says add your name, change it to be your name. That's all I'm asking, okay? L&M, yours is going to be a little bit different. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to click on GPA graph. It's going to open this. You're going to do File, Make a Copy, and then you need to name it first name, last name, GPA graph. You can abbreviate it. If your full name is Alexis and you go by Lexi, then please write Lexi, then your last name. But I need it to be very clear that it is yours. So again, File, Make a Copy, name that copy, share it with me. You're going to do the same thing with the composition book. So click on Comp Book. It opens it. Looks like this. Do File, Make a Copy. Make sure you name it first name, last name, Comp Book, and share it with me. So my email should blow up tomorrow with all of your shares. Number 5 is going to be accessing your ACT account. We made these last year before you took the ACT, so make sure you ask if you don't know what your username is. Before you get frustrated, try to retrieve your username and password. Okay, so click that link, and you want to be able to get back into your ACT account. Once you've been able to get in, that's your number 5, that's your username. So once you have done all 6 of those steps, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment. So you have your answers 1 through 5 written down. So go ahead and click Start Assignment. At the bottom, it's going to open a text box for you. Here are the things that you need to add in there. So number one, what's your EIC Connect username? Here's mine. I can spell my own name. Number two, what surprised me about the syllabus? Don't steal that. Number three, make sure that you update your GPA chart. So once you put your classes in, if you've had any grades, you've done that. Make sure it's shared with me, put updated. Number four is going to be that composition book, Columbus. Once you change the name on it, L&M, once you name it and share it back with me, you can write shared. And five is going to be your ACT username, which is typically your email address that you used. Okay, once you have done those 6 steps, click Submit Assignment. If you have confetti, that means it's actually been submitted, all right? If you have questions, let me know. Once those things are done, again, be reviewing your transcript, look at your PIG personality, look at the CCR standards, and think about the goals that we're gonna have for tomorrow. Any questions, let me know. Thank you.